This morning vlog is about something that I have learned when I wrote my bachelor thesis, my master thesis, and also during my PhD thesis. This is something that I didn't think was of that much importance until I began my PhD. So this is about deadline settings, and during your PhD you have to set many deadlines, and you have to do this along with your PI, and also maybe if you're involved in a project where you have too many PIs or other people who are part of the project, collaborators, then you might have to really know how to set deadlines, right? So one thing that really helped me was to always go back to my PI, and when she tells me that when are you planning to submit let's say a manuscript, and then this is something that you're probably doing for the first time in your PhD, and for tasks that we have never done before, it takes more effort and it's hard to estimate or to predict how much time they will take. So what I did was I just asked her what is her expectation of me completing that task. It's because your PI has been into that, they have been there basically, and they know how much time it might take, even for a beginner. But then they know it for themselves and they know it for other students, but it might differ in your case because your project is unique and there are so many things in your PhD that are different from the other people. So what you have to do is to ask them first. The first thing is, what is their expectation of completion of your task? And the other thing that you need to do is to basically tell them that you need some time to think about this. So I usually take a half a day to decide my deadlines, because you don't want to take a spontaneous decision here, because during your PhD consistency matters a lot, and the way you're meeting your deadlines and the way you are having you're showing your work ethics that way, right? So these are the two major points that I would suggest. Point number one, ask your PI what is their expectation, and point number two is to take some time off, to take that pause and to decide for yourself how much time you might need, right? So that's quite about it for this video.